Alright guys, good evening. It's still Feedback Alliance on your screen once again. You know what to do if you're stumbling on this channel for the very first time. Hit the subscription button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time new video is uploaded. So very quickly, this video is going to be very short. Now what am I doing? I'm answering surveys. Now, for those of you that maybe owners of accounts, any survey site at all, but okay, let me just emphasize on Atapu that is inside the cloud phone. As you can see, if you look up on the screen, you're going to see the vimuscloudphone.com. That's vimuscloud.com, all right? So that means I'm doing my surveys inside the vimuscloud.com. Now, one thing you should understand is this. Whenever you're taxing accounts for someone and the person says use AI for my account and maybe the account is inside a cloud phone, it's very easy. This is what you should do. You know, if you screenshot whatever you screenshot like this surveys I'm taking now, what is your ethnicity? It's a very easy question. I understand the question. I can just pick white because the answer is white. My own is white British. But I want to use this particular question and explain something for you. You see that if I snap this in and I just give my AI without prompting it again, it will just give me the answer because I've sent it my template. So it's that easy to like this process is not even long. Use Gemini AI or Gemini rather, whereby even the free version can enable you upload up to 10 screenshots at a time. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to do and explain. Once you see something like this, like any question at all, but emphasis on using AI for all your questions, right? So once your taxer give you account and say, okay, tax this account for me, use AI. Okay, this kind of questions, if you know it already, if you have mastered the template, you can just pick white. Let me click on white already. But I'm not submitting now. I'll just click on the white. So now what I'm trying to say is this. Those other questions that they'll say in 2 sentences, describe this. In 2 sentences, describe that. In 1 sentence, describe this. In 1 sentence, describe that. Make sure you don't rush it. Number 1, make sure you get the answers from AI. Alright, make sure you get the answer from AI. What do? You don't need to type out anything. Just screenshot like I'm going to do now. Watch what I'll do. Just screenshot. Once you screenshot, you go to the tab. See the tab button after that plus. After that plus, you go to the tab. When you go to the tab, as you can see my setup, see my Gemini AI, see my Vimos Cloud. Some of you can actually use the Gemini, like you can use the app. Alright, see me, I'm using it on my Chrome, so it will be easy for me. I'll just be changing tab. So now one thing with cloud phone is you can even off your phone. Your phone can go off and come on, and you still complete the survey because in the eyes of the cloud phone, like the survey site is still seeing the cloud phone as something that is active. The survey site don't have access to your main phone. Alright, that is, you can be taking this survey here and get tired of your phone. You log this Vimos Cloud into your laptop, continue the surveys. In fact, 4 persons can be logged into one Vimos Cloud account. That's Vimos Cloud. 4 persons can be logged into one Vimos Cloud account at a stretch, and the 4 of them are watching what you are doing, like television. Like for instance, as I'm answering this survey question now, 5 persons can be watching what I'm doing right now inside this Vimos Cloud. The only part that they may not be able to watch is as I've entered this tab like this. They may not be able to watch it again. But anytime I enter this my Vimos Cloud here, I will explain. Let me first and drop the screenshots for my AI. So this is how to use my Gemini. See my templates. I'm doing this thing for the sake of you guys are watching. Okay, this is my templates and all. This is my complete template. Use this template to answer. Now, I've prompted it already. I don't need to type any other thing again. I prompted this my Gemini AI, I think yesterday. So before I start any survey, I'll just send the screenshots, use this template to answer. So it's that easy. So I'll select this now. After selecting it, I just send. After selecting it, I will send it. So I think based on the template you provided, white. I told you I know the answer is white already, but I'm trying to show you that Gemini AI can be also accurate. So definitely I'll select white and I'll submit. Now, what I was trying to explain is this. As far as I'm inside this cloud phone taking service, as far as I'm inside this vimoscloud.com, let me end this browser now. Let me click on the search. This Vimos Cloud, let me click on it. Like this, nobody's watching what I'm doing. But the moment it loads, and okay, let me explain better now. Okay, this place that they are showing remaining 10 days, 14 hours, and Vimos Cloud, just hold a little bit. Now, if someone is working on this account, I can be watching it from here. If you look well, that small, like if you look well, you will see that it's the same thing that I was doing, but this time around I've not entered it. So for instance, if I've given you my account to tax, I can just stay here and be watching what you are doing. And if you tax rubbish, I will just log you out of my account instantly. So this is what I'm trying to say. 5 persons can be logged into this particular Vimos Cloud account. See, I have a lot of them, but the particular one I'm logged in, 5 persons and above can be logged into it. So let's continue with our service. So just like that, use your AI. Alright, that question is too easy to use AI, but I was using it to explain this thing for you guys. No matter the question, some questions are very long, some questions are very long, but still use AI. Okay, see this one. How many children under the age of 18 are living in your household? Okay, I'll screenshot this. I'll screenshot this first one, or the option. I'm just trying to teach you guys this thing. The first one, I'll scroll up. I'll scroll up. Okay. Okay. I'll screenshot from here again. Oh, mistake. That is what I mean is my phone is having some glitch now. But all these questions that are long like this, you take your time. For instance, boy 6 years, you shift it up small again. Once this girl 7 years gets to this place that this blue and green icon is, that's this Vimos icon. Once it gets there, you screenshot again. You make sure you have screenshotted the question and all the option. Alright, so after screenshotting all the question and the option, what you do next? Let me see if this is still going. Okay, after screenshotting it, what you do next is you go to that your same cloud phone. So you go to that your same that's your same AI. Remember, in Gemini AI, you can upload up to 10 photos at the same time. So I did not snap it complete, but this my AI is too smart. It will just tell me the answer. Already I know the answers already because I've mastered my templates, but for the sake of this video, remember I snapped 4 different photos. Okay, it's 3 that was captured. We'll still go with it. Now, the AI will give me the accurate answer. Alright? So this is just how to use your AI. It's not something difficult, complex. Just make sure that you snap the question and all the options. Alright, then put it on the AI. That's it. Okay. This answer it gave me is exactly what is on my template. Alright. My daughter is 7 years, my son is 16 years old. Based on my template. Now let me show you on the template. Let it not look like my AI is saying rubbish. Now look at my template. After this one, I'll cut the video. We have spent a lot. Okay. Son's DOB number 20. January 1st, 2010. 2010 to 2026 is 16 years. Then the wife, the daughter is January 1st, 2019. If you calculate it, it's okay. Let's check it out. So as you can see, it's very accurate. 7 years. The daughter is 7 years old. The son is 16 years. So it's very, very accurate. All right. So I think I've proven the point I'm trying to prove. So I'll just go back to my surveys and I'll continue. So remember what I said before I enter this tab, because I'm trying to make you all understand this thing. My daughter is 7 years, 2019. My son is 16 years. So before you start any survey, just make sure you upload your templates. All right. You update your templates on your AI. I prefer Gemini because you can just be using screenshot. Some people they use Google Lens and still Gemini, but I prefer Gemini, like overall. So this is how you get your survey answers. It's not something that is difficult. It's not difficult at all. So like I said, it's not difficult, right? It's not difficult. Like I said, if you have any issue at all, you need advice, you can message. If you want to purchase any tool at all, you can also message as well. And don't forget to like this video and comment on it. Thank you very much. God bless you.